2011 economics past question. Question 29. If aggregate demand is lower than total output in an economy, national income will, option A says, will be constant, option B says will be at equilibrium, option C says increase, and option D says fall. When aggregate demand is lower than total output in an economy, national income will fall. National income will fall. Okay, this is called output method. This is called output method or value added or added value method. So therefore, or net methods, net products or net products. So therefore option D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.